am hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha, what's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today we have a banger daily market news analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. Guys, I finally made a Discord. I know you guys have been asking me. I have no idea what's going on with that, so he says, "Get that Red Bull." I have no idea what's going on with that. So if somebody wants to be a mod of the Discord, I just made a Discord, so you guys can join that. So yeah, guys, happy Moon Day. Let's get this music, huh? Get this music going. I know it's gonna be probably... No, it's good. There we go. We got that music going. All the markets are pulling back today. As expected, we're heading out of the new moon energy. Like I said, I've been saying it for a week, a breakout and a... Well, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. First of all, one of these days, I thought that link is a scam. No, that's my Discord. I just made it. I have no idea about anything about Discord, so I'm learning, trying to make my 1% improvements day by day. Says hi from Morocco. So both those links, one is my Discord and the other is my merch store. So yeah, I'm trying to learn about Discord, but if you guys want to be a mod, let me know. But yeah, like I think it was like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I don't know. I said a common, well, actually right here I said it would be the next move is for us to break out of 25,300. We broke out of that. And then I said a back test of 25,300 is green light, green light, green light. Sound off for equipment check. So this is what I think is going to happen. We're heading into the full moon energy. Okay. We got a clean rejection off of the 236 here. Off of this major red line. And we seem to be heading back to... gravitating back towards the top of this. Loud and clear. Let's go. How are we on TikTok, by the way? What do you think about Arbitrum? It's new. How are we looking on TikTok? I adjusted some settings on TikTok. I know we've been having issues with the lagginess, but hopefully that is resolved. As of now, I adjusted some settings on that. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much where we're at right now. This is what I'm looking for in the market. Down here, I said a breakout of 25,300. We'd probably get rejected at some point between 28 and 30,000. That's where we got rejected, right at the 236. Which is this red line right here. A very, very common place. What a very, very common place to get rejected. And we're getting rejected. We're heading out of the new moon energy, which is very bullish, and we're starting to slide into the full moon energy, and probably by, plus or minus a few days of the full moon, we're going to gravitate probably back to this 25,000 300 area. And for me, that is green light, green light, green light. Sound off for equipment check. That is a back test, perfect structural back test. A really good entry point in my opinion, in addition to your your regular dollar cost averaging. Of course, not financial advice, because after that, after the rejection on the 236, back test to the 25,300, the next move is this one right here. Off and away. Sell in May. Walk away. Sometime before May, this move will be done. And the crypto months of Bitcoin and crypto and stocks are typically pretty boring during the summer. And so that's kind of what I anticipate to happen. What is up, brother? What do you think about Audius? How are you, bro? I am doing well. I just finished off the 3-day fast, 72 hours. And it put me in a food coma when I broke it. But I feel good. I feel great. Down like 7 pounds. So let's get it. Yeah, I'm just enjoying this. The channel is steady Eddie growing. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Is 1,000 XRP enough to make $10,000? Probably. So my realistic price is $5 to $8, although $11 is the maximum parabolic price. So 1,000 XRP will likely get you in that neighborhood. Not financial advice of that $10,000. It's our boy Ski. What up, brother? Enjoy your lives. Thank you. So what do you think about Audius? Any thoughts on Quorum? My thoughts on these new coins are, the pioneers get the arrows, settlers get the land. You want to be early, but you don't want to be first. Hi, my friend. Can you tell me, please, what alts will pump? Are you Muslim? No. But I think it's a beautiful practice. Can you do some giveaways for your subscribers? I've done giveaways in the past. I've given away a lot of H-bar in the past, actually. I tell you what. Once we get monetized on YouTube, I'll do a giveaway. Or when we get to 3,000 on YouTube, 3,000 subscribers, I will give away. I'll give away some XRP. How about that? 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, or when we get monetized officially, whichever comes first, I will do a giveaway. I'll make up some rules as we go. We'll have some time. I just cracked 2,500. When will the alts move? I got you. So check it out. There are 2 stipulations. And then Sandy, I got you as well. Hi, my friend. Can you please tell me when the alts will pump? All right, so check it out. There are 2 stipulations. One of which needs to be true. Okay? One of 2 stipulations needs to be true. Stipulation number 1. Bitcoin is pumping into new all-time highs. So Bitcoin starts getting into $80,000 plus. That is stipulation number 1. Altcoins pump on these scenarios. Stipulation number 2 for altcoins to pump is when Bitcoin retraces. And in my opinion, if we backtest on 25,300, this is triple confirmation. If we hold support, if we find support here on the backtest of 25,300 and then bust out of the 236, this is triple confirmation that this move is in a continuation. And what you're going to see when the altcoins are actually going to move is towards the end of this run. And how you'll be able to tell that very easily is if you head over to crypto.com. I don't know if you guys can see this. But the Bitcoin dominance, right now it's at 46.3%. When this starts dropping below 40s, in the mid 30s maybe, and Bitcoin say Bitcoin's at $35,000, and the Bitcoin dominance drops to 35 cents, that lets me know that the run is almost complete. Because when it starts dropping, that means the alts are going to be pumping. And when the alts are pumping, the move for Bitcoin is pretty much done. That's typically how it goes. Watermelon Sugar. What a name. Says, are you Polish? I am Polish. Yo boy Ski. As in Gajewski. As in I'm Polish. Where are you from? I'm from Ohio. But I've been all over the world. Do you think Coinbase will fight the SEC and win? A lot of the foundation is going to be laid upon how the XRP case goes. So if XRP, I should say when XRP wins, it's going to give all these other things a much better leg to stand on, in my opinion. What are your main sources of income? I have many sources of income. I do liquidity mining. I do regular mining. I make money online. I make money on YouTube, TikTok, on my Patreon. I make money on my in my business. I also trade, but I'm more of a swing trader. I don't really day trade. Alright, what crypto do you mine? I mine Flux, Raven, Monero, Chia. I think that's it at the moment. Oh, Ergo. When to enter into a long. I cannot give you financial advice, brother. But I can say I will be entering if we find support here at 25,000, 26,000. If you made $10 million, would you move to Dubai? I've actually considered it. Because I know there's no taxes out there. What's your realistic price for Doge on the bull run? I got you, bro. Do you mind Pi? Not currently. Top picks for the upcoming bull run? What do you mean? Like top picks as in the ones that I am the most certain are going to move, or the ones with the most upside, the ones with the most downside risk? Wind moon for Polygon. Everything is going to move with the entire market. So whatever Bitcoin's doing, that's when it's mooning. He says, can the SEC halt transactions on Coinbase while they start to do the witch hunt? It's possible. It is possible. Get your money off the exchanges. If you don't have a ledger, you can use like Trust Wallet, you can use MetaMask, you can use Hashpack. Get your money off these exchanges. I think that they would fight that. I think it's a lower likelihood, but I don't think it's not impossible. He said, can vouch for Dubai, been getting tax-free income for 3 years. Let's go. Was the dip today the spring we needed to get to 38 to 50K? I think we're working on it, my friend. I think we're working on it, Travis. We could continue down because like we're heading into the full moon, so I wouldn't say like, oh, this move right here. I wouldn't say like, oh, this is done until like probably 4 or 5 days after the full moon. Do you think Filecoin could reach $800 a token, or is that crazy? My maximum parabolic price for LIT, I got you, bro. For Filecoin is $711. However, that being said, I don't like the tokenomics of Filecoin. I don't like the tokenomics on Filecoin. I don't like their inflation. I don't like any of that. So I think it's more likely that Filecoin just retraces. Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I think it's more likely that it just retraces. And that is a 100 as high as 140. Thoughts on XRP name service? That's pretty cool. I haven't heard anything about that. Might need to research that. So hopefully, I made a Discord, guys. I know there's like way more people in the chat now. I made a Discord. So that's kind of my hopes on the Discord, is that you guys will push out good information like that in the chat, as well as I can push out notifications. That's kind of the goal. I don't really know too much about Discord, so if anybody wants to be a mod on the Discord, sounds good to me. Howdy from Texas. Let's go. Howdy, hey. He says, Joe, what date's the full moon? April 6th is the full moon. I don't speak Polish. When will the bull run start? I think the bull run will start in the beginning of 2024. The bull run will start in the beginning of 2024, in my opinion. Exodus wallet is solid, John. Do you think EOS would break all-time high, even though upcoming updates, events, developments? Not sure if you follow EOS at all. EOS is, I'm pretty sure they're the, if I'm not mistaken, they're the only coin that's like actually fought the SEC and won. What up, Anthony? Realistic move for Sauce coin, 2 cents right now. There's not enough chart data on Sauce, so the only thing that we can really go off of, like I can pull this fib, but this isn't really enough data. But according to this fib, 9 cents. But I would just say this, like, it has the same supply as Uniswap, and it does the same thing as Uniswap does. So for it to get to 50 cents or $1, I don't think would be crazy at all. Full moon to full moon. What do you mean? Is there a chance for Gala to reach $5? There's a chance. I think it's about $3 is where I think it's going to hit, but the difference between 3 and 5 isn't that crazy. I don't think Bitcoin dominance will drop below 45 cents this year. We'll see. Typically what starts to happen after, like, say Bitcoin reaches to 34,000, jealousy starts to set in. Jealousy, because, like, there's going to be some people, me is some people, who bought this right here 19,000. I bought a lot of in here as well, but just from this move right here before May, you know, you're looking at a 100% to the upside. Full moon to full moon, meaning is that the run? Discord is full of scammers. Yeah, I wish that these scammers would just like put effort into creating something of value. Hex is retracing. Yeah, like Hex got actually parabolic on a wick. Damn. Beware of scammers. That's a good point. I only have one TikTok. It's at your boy Ski. I only have one Instagram. It's at your boy Ski. I only have one YouTube. It's at your boy Ski. Full to full meaning that run, the run. Typically, the full moon is the bearish energy of the local bottoms. This was a full moon right in here. And typically, the new moons are the bullish energy. And again, like this was the new moon. Actually, I can pull it up. Where are my indicators? Bro, where are my indicators? Anyways, I don't know where my indicators are. So weird. Ski! Missed you, bro. What is up? Been tagging you. I see that, bro. Hi, man. What setup do you run? In what regards? What are you referring to? What setup do I run? Elaborate a little bit more on that question. Price prediction for ETH. I got you. Says I hate Discord. I've been scammed through it. Lost 15,000 last year. Jesus, bro. Sorry to hear that, man. That sucks. I don't know anything about it, to be honest with you. But people have been asking me to make one. So I'm going to try to learn about it. I saw repost one of those videos. Are we still selling in May or walking away? Just curious. I think so. So right now, where I think we're at in this stage of the market, guys. Down here, I said we were going to bust out 25,300 was the next move. And then I was talking about double confirmation, triple confirmation. I kept drawing out the, I don't know if some of you guys were probably here. Some of you guys maybe not so much, but I was saying 3 confirmations is what I was looking for. And so the first check was when this happened right here. We got the first little poke through, or actually it was right here, sorry. The first little poke through of 25,300. And I said that this wasn't quite what we're looking for. We want a body close. And then we got rejected 3 times underneath of that. And then finally on Friday, March 17th, we finally got a full body close above 25,300. And then what I said, that is a full-on check mark, a body below, or excuse me, above 25,300. Then I said, a back test to 25,300 again. So a breakout back test. So you had a wick below, finally a body close above, breakout. Now we're back testing, getting rejected off of the 236, which is a great level. Coming back down here to the 25,300. If we get a full body close above 25,300 as a back test, that is check mark would be, the final check mark would be above the 236 here at 28,000. Once we get above that, once we get above this, like 31,000, the difference between 31,000 and 35,000 is nothing. It doesn't need to go all the way to 25.3. It's just, that is where, it doesn't need to go all the way to 25,300. It's just, that's a common move. That is a very common move in the markets. I think Binance collapse will further the dip than Luna Classic or the jab. If XRP reaches $11, I may be able to recover my loss. I'm optimistic about XRP. XRP is the biggest bag. He says, what trading platform, then what computer screen? So I'm using TradingView, and the computer, I'm just on Microsoft. Are you asking about my monitor? It's a 144 hertz gaming monitor. This is like my this is my streaming monitor, and I game on this PC as well. Ethereum Classic dead. Can you check how much it can reach? I got you. Optimism on Binance. Opinion on Binance. There's FUD. It seems like there's FUD every single month on Binance. My opinions on Binance are as follows. Get your money off the exchanges. Get your money off of the exchanges. Get your money off the exchanges. However, if Binance doesn't hold, that's not good for crypto. Like, really bad. I don't think it's going to happen. Because it seems like FUD just comes out of nowhere every single month. It'll probably ramp up all the way to the full moon before we have our next breakout. And then all of a sudden, Binance is fine again. All of a sudden, Binance is just A-okay after, after a breakout happens. That's just how it goes. What do you think about API 3? It's solid. Solid. Alright, let's get some of these coins. We had Waters, Be Like Water. He had downside for ABT, XRD. Bitcoin downside is 25,300 in the medium term. But it would just be a structural back test of this breakout right here. And it's a great place to buying the back test is typically a strong thing, because this isn't just like a wick blowout. This is like multiple bodies above this 9 months of resistance right here. And Bitcoin's, all the moving averages are in full like posture right now. So this is a back test into the full moon before off and away on the next move, in my opinion. Litecoin. He said XRP is a waste of money. Trust me. Sources, trust me, bro.
Emotional, damn it! I will send you to Jesus.
listen here, bro.
You graduated either the lowest or almost the lowest in your class. Don't ever use the word smart with me. Don't ever use that word.
ICP, Solana. Thoughts on metaverse space? It seems quiet during the bear market. It was always huge during the bull market. That's because, like, bro, Facebook is just... Facebook itself is literally down worse than Bitcoin. Facebook itself is down worse than Bitcoin. Down bad. Thoughts on ICP? ICP is a solid project for sure. Jeremy, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I track some on Binance wallets. You can't imagine how much XRP they have. And not only XRP, they also have 500,000 Bitcoin. If Binance collapses, yeah, if Binance collapses, like, bro, Bitcoin's going to the dark ages. It's the world's biggest exchange. The world's biggest exchange. The largest. So I think it's personally a whole lot of FUD. But we'll see. Also, saying that, get your money off the exchanges. Like, I think it's FUD, but there's no reason to risk your money on if it's FUD or not. You know what I mean? You don't need to risk your money if it's FUD. So, alright, ABT downside. You would like to see probably in this 9 cents. You'd like to see that hold. And then what was the other one for him? XRD. If you're doing price predictions, I'd like to hear API 3. I got you, bro. I'm kind of chilling tonight. I'll definitely hit some price predictions. I'm more like kind of answering questions, I guess. But I'll do both. Did you do XRP? I haven't done XRP yet. Downside for XRD. This thing double bottom. Didn't quite make a new low, which is good. You don't want anything at this stage of the market to be making new lows. Not your keys, not your crypto. That is so true. If UST gets to solve which other stable coins is the best. Honestly, like, my gut instinct is telling me, like, all the FUD with Tether, it almost makes me believe it's the best one. I've always used USDC. I've never had... I know they had their depegging moment, but they've already repegged. But I've been using Tether more lately. Jenny, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Says XRP is going to take forever. You might as well wait to buy ETH if you're going to wait that long. I buy ETH and XRP. I live in an and world, not an or world. However, the fractal on XRP is not forever. I'll say that. In my opinion, on XRP, I'll do the structure on XRP next. Downside for this coin is 3.3 cents for XRD. But yeah, bro, Litecoin, it's on the list. I got you, bro. Don't worry. E-Gold, I got you. All right, so we're probably, for whatever reason, like XRP is just pumping while the rest of the market is not. But how did we get? Damn, we really got to 49 cents today. That's crazy. What I think is going to happen for XRP, we're going to keep going up, get rejected off the 54 cents, coil up, maybe one more violent leg to the downside, 30 cents, somewhere in there. And if you pull up the fractal on this thing, whoops, after that it's going to be looking like that. That's pretty much what I think is going to happen with XRP. XRP is boring for like 98%, and then when it rips, there are no memos. There are no memos that are put out. Will ETH break all-time highs or just retrace? I think ETH will break all-time highs. ETH will probably get above, at minimum, it's going to get above 7,000. It could get as high as like 15,000. I think Solana's going to rip. I don't like Solana. Solana goes down once a month. The main net, not the test net. The main net goes down once a month. Completely garbage, unacceptable. But I think that the project itself is going to rip. The price is going to rip. All right, let's see. What do we got? We got Dogecoin, Litecoin, ETH, ETC, LTT was actually Litecoin, then Litecoin, API3, and then eGold. Which tokens, in your opinion, will rip the most? Okay, so when you say rip the most, you mean just straight up ROI? Or do you mean like the price going up? What do you mean? Oh, so this, right, so like price on stuff does not equal like how good the project is. Why is Doge and Shiba like pumping? And again, like I think Solana's going to rip in the bull market, but I just don't like the project itself. Price going up. Like big coins, like really the highest ROI are not on the top 100. You got to find the low market cap gem. Like that's going to be the biggest mover. If you're talking about like straight up top 100 coins, probably Hex, honestly, because Hex isn't on any exchange at all. So once this thing gets listed, like regular people are gonna buy this thing. Hex, I'm trying like Optimism. As far as like low market or high market cap, high to medium market cap gems. Yeah, probably XDC. Now low market caps would be like Dent for me, Sauce. Those have potential of, 100x plus, but they also have more potential of nothing happening. But all right, let's get some of these price. So we got Doge. Like Doge ripped. Just like Solana's gonna rip. But Doge doesn't do anything. Doge's mainnet is more reliable than Solana's. But they both can rip. All right. Is there any hope for VLX? I started hating that project. I got you. Solid 6 to 8 years, life changing for those years. Should be dollar cost averaging if you don't trade. Via, yeah, even myself, dollar cost average every week. I buy silver and I buy crypto every single week. Because in my opinion, the things that are going to survive, the big one, are silver, crypto, and land. That's it. I stopped buying gold and silver because of Da Vinci. Actual silver or mine silver? Not your keys, not your crypto. Actual, real deal silver. It's the same thing. Like you're buying mine stocks. It's like having crypto on the exchange. How much is pure silver? It's probably like 20 something bucks right now for per ounce. Yeah, real assets. Flip cars. Cars are going to survive. People are going to need cars. People are going to need chickens. People are going to need cows. All that stuff's going to survive. I can tell you what's not going to survive. US dollar. Lido. I got you, bro. I can tell you what's not. Pi might replace the dollar. Anything can replace the dollar. Charts show that will blow up the near future. Charts show that will blow up in the near future. MG says physical metals are so suppressed by the banking derivatives market once that breaks. Yeah, no, literally. Like silver is one of the most manipulated markets in all, like even more manipulated than crypto, honestly. The amount of money in the derivatives that is trying to, the amount of money in the derivatives market of silver that's trying to suppress the price of silver is astronomical. Oh, okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Let me finish Doge here. 14 cents. 38 cents is the retracement. 52 cents is the max retracement. And parabolic level is $2.40. Jonathan, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Soon the US dollar will be backed by Arizona tea. I hope so, bro. Honestly. The master plan is all coming together. It's all coming together. It's all going to be backed by Arizona sweet tea.
Oh, yeah. It's all coming together.
What's the best farm to use on SauceSwap if you had 10K? Probably just the one with the lowest risk of impermanent loss is H-bar to sauce. Honestly. What will happen to 401ks and pensions once things crash? It's not good. All right. Check it out, Amy. I was in the Army. If I would have done 20 years, I would have gotten a pension. Let's say I was an E7, E8. I would have made like $2,400 a month or whatever. Something along those lines. All right. Assuming you are good and you pay off your house and your car and all of that, like that can be enough to live. But what happens when we have like real deal hyperinflation? Like not like kind of like 10-20%, like real deal 100%, 200%. Now that $2,400 a month is now like $1,000 a month. So they don't keep with inflation. So we had like real inflation of about 20% last year. They called it 8.3%. And that's what everybody on Social Security, that's what everybody with the pensions, they got an 8.3% raise. Well, that means they lost the difference between 8.3 and 20%. That's what they got a pay cut of in reality. You think the dollar could go to zero? I think the dollar will go to zero at some point in time. It's a matter of when, not if. So check it out. Since 1971, when Richard Nixon removed the U.S. dollar from the gold standard, the U.S. dollar has lost 97% of its purchasing power. 97% of its purchasing power. It already has went to zero. If you had a stock and it was down 97%, you would have sold it well before it dropped all the way to 97. That's why when you hear your grandpa say things like, well, back in my day, it cost me a nickel. It's like, yeah, grandpa, it was real money back then. It was real silver back then. This is Chuck E. Cheese tokens now. I'm not a financial advisor. However, what I think is going to survive the big one, which I don't think is here, by the way. I think we got like 7 years, 6 years. 2029 is the big one, in my actual opinion. This is kind of the precursor, the can kicking down the road. Right now, what we're feeling, this little bit of pain, they're going to kick the can down the road. And the bill will come due in 2027, or 2029, excuse me. So what's going to survive the actual big one is land, silver, and crypto. Chickens, cows. Like, research the people that made it out of Zimbabwe. What did they do? Like, when their currency just completely collapsed, what did they do? Well, I'll tell you what they did. They had real assets. Tangible. Conservative price target for Doge, 240 is the parabolic. Retracement is 57 cents. Or not 57, Jesus. Yeah, 49 cents. In your opinion, what could happen to mortgages if the banks... So if you already have real deal assets, it's amazing. If you have a mortgage, and the dollar collapses, that's amazing for you. And here's why. Let's say you have a house for $100,000, right? You owe $100,000 on your house. And let's say they just print $1 zillion and we have 400% inflation. Well, that means like there's going to be that much money. It's going to be that much less valuable. So yeah, your taxes are probably going to go up because the value of your house is going to go up. But your debt that you own is going to be cut into a fourth in that scenario. So it's still going to be 100,000, but there's going to be so much money that 100,000 is now 400,000. Why is my camera? So if you study Robert Kiyosaki, that's what he talks about. He talks a lot about why should you be scared of debt, because every single dollar in circulation today is debt, which is why all debt is tax-free. If I get a house, if I get a car, all of that is tax-free. Why is that tax-free? That's because it's tax-free because that's how they create money, is via debt. All money comes from the Federal Reserve, which is neither federal nor their reserves. They are private bankers that loan the government money. And that is how money is created, via debt from private bankers. What if a huge majority of Americans can't afford rent? That's true. However, they somehow find a way to, get some Starbucks. They find a way to go out and drinking. There's sacrifices that need to be made. Make more. You have to improve your skills to get more of the bills paid. That's the main thing you should be doing. But the two thing is you should be cutting back on nonsense, like coffee at Starbucks. Make your own coffee. The average car payment is $800. Do you know for 6 months of $800 you can get a decent A to B car? It's not gonna be you're not gonna be proud of it. So if you ever watch The Big Short, and how The Big Short, when they were talking about at the end of The Big Short, when the world was on fire and they were filthy rich and they were kind of guilty about it. This is during the 2008 financial crash. They were kind of guilty about being rich while the world was on fire. That's how we're going to be. The world is going to be on fire, and we are going to have the greatest transformation of wealth in history. Most of the rich are just going to get way richer, but some of us are going to catch that K-shaped recovery, and we're going to be filthy rich while the entire world is on fire. And you're probably going to lose, you're probably going to lose friendships, family members, because you're going to be in a different class of wealth. Money doesn't solve all your problems. It solves your money problem, but that's the only problem it solves. What do you think about real estate? They don't make any more land. I'm a big believer in real estate. Did you look at Hex? I haven't looked at Hex yet. You said, why would they transfer wealth to average people? It makes no sense. Okay, let me ask you this. Thank you for the subscription, you savage. Let me ask you this. outside of me, in real life, and this is online life, but just in your real life, how many of like your day-to-day interactions of people are talking about crypto right now? Maybe some people after the little pump from the bank collapses, but before that, who's talking about crypto? Because that was the bottom. Before the bank collapse, this was the bottom right here. Who was talking about crypto right here? Nobody. So it's not average people who are buying crypto right here. It's the savages who are buying.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Well, I would say to you, brother, you have the right group of friends. And if you have a cluster of friends that are actually trying to improve their lives, you will. But I can assure you, just regular people walking at the grocery store, at the gas station, at your local library, like none of them are talking about crypto. None. Zero. Cult Deo suggestions. I don't know what you're saying, bro. The girl I worked with talked about it once. She bought one Bitcoin at 5K, dropped to 25 and sold it. Yeah, that's exactly what retail does. It's unfortunate, but retail investors buy the top and they sell the bottom. This is when retail, aka regular folks, get excited. Right here. When Elon Musk goes on Saturday Night Live and is pumping Dogecoin, this is when retail gets excited. Bitcoin's not going to pump like a previous cycle. It's definitely going to be flattened out. But yeah, it's not regular people. Less than 1% of people own a significant portion of crypto. You definitely can make more upside ROI with Ethereum. Ethereum's going to go somewhere between 10 to 15,000 in my opinion, where Bitcoin's going to go somewhere between 130 and 188. $7 to 14, yeah, that's right. 2025 predictions for Flux. Centron, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
All right, let's get some of these coins. LTT. Can't do LTT. This is the last bull market where we're having crazy upside, in my opinion. Like, we're gonna have good gains beyond this, but it's not gonna be like, oh, you invested $1,000 and now you can pay off your house. Like, that's done. Because regulation's gonna suck out 97% of these crypto coins. ETH. He says people are still talking about the thing and the C-19 in the U.S. Some people will never wake up. Most are over it. From my where I live, at least. I do think this is the last crazy bull run. Says, hey Ski, what's your opinion on the Binance situation? I'm hopeful for Binance. I wouldn't risk my own money with Binance. I think that it's still FUD. They've been FUDding Binance for years and years. However, I'm not willing to risk my money on that it's FUD. Get your money off the exchanges. Definition of a crazy bull run. Like, within one cycle, multiple coins are doing 10 plus X gains. Not your keys, not your crypto. That's right. It's one thing that has always been true, and it will continue to be true. So, like, I really don't have that many thoughts on Binance, other than I just know that the market would be crushed if they do collapse. Other than that, like, I don't hold any of my crypto on there. I use Binance, but I don't hold crypto on there. All right, retracement, 2,800 for ETH. Max retracement, 3,600. Parabolic level is somewhere like the 1618 is 7,000, and like he said, I have 15,000 for the max. But realistically, 7 to 15,000, I'd be dollar cost averaging out of the market on ETH. Andrew, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Friday says it's lit. My bad, brother. When are we expecting to see that? Before May? See what? A retracement? Sam, I am. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
XRP, in my opinion, is going to get rejected at 54 cents. But XRP is getting primed to rip. What's the best key to put your crypto on? Your own. Any wallet that you set up that makes you write down 12 or 24 words, that's what that means. Not your keys, not your cryptos. That means if you didn't write down 12 or 24 words to secure it, it's not yours. That's what that means. As far as like free wallets, I like MetaMask. I like Hashpack. I like Exodus. I like Trust Wallet, Zelcore, and hardware wallets. I use Ledger. Why is XRP the only coin that is pumping? Because they don't give up about everything else. Because they don't give a about anything else. That's why. Cake. Is Doge Elon Musk dead? $1 by the end of the month. It's gonna be $1 by 2023. It could happen. Where can I grab some XRP? I heard upside, but I'm in New York and can't get it out of there. I don't live in New York, but basically there's a few ways. You could try Trust Wallet. But An easy way is just to use Coinbase or whatever exchange that you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on. Buy it there, and then send it to a ledger and swap it on the ledger. Hex is tanking hard. What goes up must come down, my friend. You don't just run in a straight line. So when you have a crazy pump, Uphold doesn't work in New York. $2.46 is the retracement. Automatic rally. Sorry, I said it backwards. Automatic rally is $9.40 for lit. Max retracement is $13. Parabolic level is $64 Friday. Did you do Gala? Do you think Gala can reach $1 in 2025? I do. Yeah, KuCoin also. I think $2 to $3 is the realistic price prediction. You can buy XRP with a credit card on Trust Wallet. Do you see Solana replacing ETH's current price in 2028? I think I have like an $800 price for Solana. $888 is the maximum parabolic for Solana in 2025. 2028, I don't know. It's tough to say. Sam, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
KuCoin doesn't work in New York either. Yeah, you guys just need to get out of New York, bro. No, I think you can use Trust Wallet. It should be free. Or, what was the other one? Yeah, Trust Wallet. Can Polygon reach $25? I don't think so. $9.50 is the price target that I have for it. LTC, I got you, bro. All right, so we've already hit the automatic rally. The retracement for Litecoin is $220. Max retracement is $295, which we hit actually already in November. And the parabolic level is 1300. He said, I live in Florida. It's getting crowded. Yeah, I live near Nashville. Same thing. A lot of New Yorkers coming to Nashville. $1,300 is the maximum parabolic level. That doesn't mean it's going to go there. That's just as high as it can likely go. Can you do woo? I got you, bro. Since I'm woo. Have you done Doge Chain? I haven't. I got you, though. What's realistic? I mean, that's a realistic maximum. Realistic would be a retracement, though. 290. ETC. My buddy mines Ethereum Classic heavy. like this song. Says I own some since the beginning. The original Ethereum. Retracement for Ethereum Classic is $90. Max retracement is $122. Parabolic level is $580. The Classic. The original. Chief Gringo.
I am the danger. A guy opens his door and gets shot, and you think that of me? No. I am the one who knocks.
Says Shrom, yo, have you ever been rugged? I've never been rugged. The biggest I've ever got wrecked was off a dash, though. That was my biggest L. The biggest L I took in crypto was Dash. Didn't know what I was doing. Hey, it's all about learning, growing. That's what this time's all about. API 3. That's what this time's all about. Learning, growing, getting rid of things that don't serve you, adding things that do. Learning from our past, learning from others fast. Bank KT, any words on it? I am unaware of that. Retracement $5.31. Max retracement is $7 for API 3. Parabolic level for API 3 is $32. These tacos serve me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
E-Gold for my man Jon Snow, the King of the North. Out of the night, what is up, bro? Any advice for a first-time buyer? Thanks, brother. My advice is this. Dollar cost average. It's so simple, but guess what? Simple doesn't mean always easy, but the truth is simple. What is real is simple. I used to be a heavy into powerlifting. I used to compete in powerlifting, right? And I say that to say the supplements that were real were like $10. Like creatine, the most scientifically proven supplement known to man, is like $10. So dollar cost averaging is the tried and true method that will make the average Joe the most amount of money over time. The most amount of money over time, bar none. And what that means is you just buy a little bit each and every week, regardless of price. Whether it's a cup of coffee per week, or you cut out all together, make your own, there's $50 a week. Whatever it is for you, just do that every single week. Up, down, sideways, pumps, dumps, doesn't matter. Buy a set amount each week, regardless of price. What do you take for that mustache? What do I take for the mustache? This is natural prime genetics. The cream of the crop.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Nah, I don't take nothing for it, bro. All natural. What's up, Ski? Traveling, don't have my notepad. That's all right, bro. I appreciate you here anyways. That is right. Sam I Am says dollar cost average over time. You got plenty of time before the highs to accumulate. That's right. We're still in accumulation. It's going to be sideways and up, in my opinion, all of 2023, relatively. However, we're not going to get parabolic for a year and a half. What do you think of Richard Hart's 10K Bitcoin price target? He called the top. He called the top based off of Fibonacci's. He did not call the bottom based off Fibonacci's. He called the bottom off of this is what it's done last time, and he pulled a all he did was just pull a percentage. Oh, 85% to the downside. That's what it's done 3 times, so that's what it has to do a 4th time. That is a piece of data, but is a very weak piece of data, in my opinion. The bottom has been in for 9 months on most everything. Outside of Bitcoin, the bottom came in June, but Ethereum bottomed in, November. Ethereum bottomed in June. XRP bottomed in June. Like Doge bottomed in June. Like most of the major coins bottomed in June. Richard Hart says a lot of really smart things about crypto. However, that doesn't mean you're always right. Automatic rally for eGold, $100. Retracement, $280. Max retracement, $380. Parabolic level is $1,800. So yeah, that's how he called the top, was because of Fibonacci's. He called the top based off the 3.2, the 3618, excuse me. But yeah, all right. So like, here's a data point. So he gave a data point, 85%. That's what it's done 3 or 4 other times. Here's a data point. No point in time has any major cryptocurrency bottomed, held for 4 months, and then a new bottom came in. So that means if a new bottom were to come in at this point, we would quite literally be in uncharted territories, because it has never happened. So here's Ethereum. Let's go through a list. Let's go through a fun little list. Here's the bottom on Ethereum. This was on June. Ethereum bottomed in June. What about XRP? XRP bottomed in June. What about Quant? Same thing. Quant bottomed in June. What about BNB? Same thing. BNB bottomed in June. What about, what else we got? Aave. That bottomed in November. I think ADA did. Nope, November. Most of the major coins bottomed in June. Like Raven coin bottomed in June. So what I'm saying that for is the structural bottom was in June. The technical bottom was in November with the FTX collapse, but the structural chart bottom was in June. Either way, even off of November, it's already been past 4 months. Even off of November, it's already been past 4 months. Dogecoin bottomed in June. I think even EOS. No. Yeah, so like you're seeing, everything was either June or November. Most of the major projects, in my opinion, bottomed in June. Link bottomed in June. Litecoin bottomed in June. It says Grilf on H-bar going to beast mode. Let's go. Matic bottomed in June. The RSI indicators. All right, so here's some more data points that indicate the same thing. So yeah, like I like a lot of what Richard Hart says, but all right, so check it out. Here's some more. Let me go on the weekly. Let's go on a major coin. I don't even know what I'm on right now. Oh, I'm on Matic. Let's go on Bitcoin. On the weekly. So the RSI got down below 23. Every time it was at this level. Look at this. 2018 bear market. Every time it was at this level, the bottom was in. There's another data point. What else? The sarcastic RSI, the sentiment, the sacrificial player getting sacrificed always happens at the bottom when everyone thinks it's going to go lower. What else? Like the time has elapsed. The inverse Kramer, like everything. I don't think the market's going to bottom in mid-May. I just think we're going to stop with this retracement in mid-May. Before then. But yeah, if everything else is pumping, then sauce is going to pump too. This is still a good time to continue accumulating. Yes, it's always a good time until we're getting like new all-time highs. If Bitcoin dominance doesn't go below 45 in May, we have a crash. Your alts will make new lows. It's possible. 30 to 40K the next stop. I think so. I think so. I think we're going to back. Well, actually, the next stop is a back test of 25,300. Somewhere in there. Rejection off the 236 here, coming back down to this range right here, back testing it. But I don't think we're crashing in May. I just think that like the run is done with. It's just going to be sideways, grueling, and boring in all of the summer. Then a retrace to what, 20K? I think we're going to like crash in October, November time frame. Is what I think. But yeah, somewhere around there. It depends how high we go on this retracement. So a lot is dependent upon that. All right, let's get some more coins. Viat, Flux. Pretty much, I have my limit orders already in for XRP. Says you're selling 40% in late April, early May. Yeah, I think April 20th is like if I had to actually pick a day, which I'm not a time picker. I'm a structure identifier. But if I were to pick a time, it would be April 20th. I think we have a solar eclipse then. But if we're starting to creep towards crash, what number do you call? Anywhere between 25 and 15, really. It's probably going to be like 20,000. It depends. It depends on how high we go, though. But yeah, I have my limit orders already set in place for XRP. VVS and Tonic, I got you, bro. Dot link. $0.54, 88 cents. And then just each before each Fibonacci all the way up. LCX. I think Filecoin could be major in the bull run. It could be. I don't like the tokenomics on it. Dogechain. I got you on the list, bro. I know I'm like yapping over here. All right, let's get Flux, Cake, Woo, Dogechain. Flux got all the way to the 236, came back to the automatic rally, tested that, got rejected off the automatic rally. So kind of still in a downtrend right here. Huge downtrend. Making higher lows and lower lows. Coiling up here. This is a W pattern. Flux could be ready to move. What's good, fam? How are you feeling? I'm feeling great. Just finished off the 3-day fast today. And it felt good. I made it the full 72 hours. And it was great. Did I do algo already? No, I haven't. What could start the bull run earlier than a year and a half, in your opinion? It's going to start, like, we're going to start making new all-time highs in 2024. But when I say, like, parabolic, like, everyone's really excited. Like, your grandma's asking about where to buy Bitcoin, and, like, you know, random people at the gas station are talking about Elon Nutsack coin or whatever. Like, that point will be in 2025. Retracement, $1.88. Max retracement, $2.50 for Flux. Parabolic level for Flux is $11.30. KT. Jesus, I don't know why I like struggled to say that. I got you, bro. The next fast I'll be doing is 5 days. That's going to be like 5 days from now. And then after that, 6 days. And then I'll do a 10-day fast. Woo. Thoughts on Loop Network? Loop is, I know it has a strong community. I don't hold any Loop, though. I would say I'm neutral on Loop. I'm not versed enough in a Loop. What is up? Hello. Pleno345. What is up? Retracement for Woo is 47. Max retracement 63. Parabolic level $2. 79. Cake is next ski. Automatic rally for Cake is $5.71. Retracement is $22. Max retracement $30. Parabolic level for Cake is 149. 148 really. Doge chain. Same thing, like lower lows or higher lows and lower highs. Kind of wedging up here. It already hit the 702 and the 0.5. But they're at 003. Parabolic level is 1.4 cents for Doge chain. VVS tonic. I don't know if there's enough data for this one. Tonic. What's the ticker for Tonic? Come back to it. Dot. Link. LCX. Alright, cool. $9.63. $9.63 the automatic rally for Dot. Retracement is $26. Max retracement is $35. Parabolic level 164, $164. I don't think there's a good chart for this one. Yeah, there's not a good chart for Tectonic. This song's hype. Link, LCX, Algo, AKT. Look at this, just chopping around. Chop it up, y'all. Automatic rally, $10.30. Retracement level, $27. Max retracement, $38. Parabolic level for Link is $178. Came up to the 236 here for LCX, got rejected, broke all the way through the automatic rally. Probably going to come back down here to 4, 5, or 4.7 cents or 5 cents range in between here. Actually, you would like to see it hold on top of here. Like this range right here. It's starting to break through, but that's just a wick. So we're getting to a pretty critical level on LCX, and it's going to come down to like 6 cents if it doesn't hold this. Now, upside retracement, you're looking at 29 cents. Max retracement, 40 cents. Can you run Gala again? I got you. Parabolic level, $1.96. Automatic rally for Algo, 37 cents. Retracement is $1.37. Max retracement $1.85. Parabolic is $8.88. AKT. For my man Friday. Trading on top of the automatic rally here. We'd like to see that hold. Retracement for AKT, $1.28. Max retracement, $1.76. Parabolic level, $8.41. Gala. Audius. Got you, bro. Retracement for Gala. $0.42. Max retracement is 59 cents. Parabolic level is $2.97. Big cash. Bacon. All right, did everyone see that?
Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing it again.
Audius. Damn, bro. Down 97%. Young Skeezy. What is up, bro? Down 97%. Still up more than the US dollar since 1971, though. Where'd my Fibonacci go? Thank you for the roses, you savage.
I am once again asking for your financial support.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Automatic rally for Audius. Yoshi. Dala, thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I am once again asking for your financial support.
What's your view on Bitcoin this week? We're heading into the energy of the full moon the next couple weeks, and I think we're gonna just continue to go sideways and down. Get support around 25,300. I'll do some more TA on Bitcoin after this one. Thank you for the TikToks, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's all coming together.
All right, retracement, $2. Max retracement, $2.83 for Audius. Parabolic level, $13. Let me go back to Bighorn. Bitcoin. Mana, I got you, bro. You're on the list. Bitcoin. Thoughts on ADA? Solid project, brother. It's gonna be here to stay, in my opinion. All right, so basically, we had the ABC. We can now confirm that this was an ABC. We broke out of 9 months of resistance, which resistance is just like a ceiling. 9 months of resistance, a 9-month long ceiling. We busted cleanly out of that. Got rejected on the 236. Now, if you remember, check mark was a breakout body test. We got the breakout body test. Coming up to the 236. We came up to the 236, getting rejected off the 236. We're getting rejected off the 236. And now I would love to see a body close on 25,300. I think that's kind of where we're going to gravitate to in abouts heading into the full moon, which is April 6th. Now, this is check mark. If this happens and we hold this ceiling right here, the prior resistance as now support, if we hold that, hold this prior resistance as support, which resistance is like a ceiling that you have to bust through. We busted through the ceiling right here, and now we're coming back down from floating off to the heavens and making sure that this is now support, aka the floor. So 25,300. This would be check mark, green light, continuation to 35,000. Matic already bottom. So after the, a few days after the 6th, we're going to continue, in my opinion. And the crazy part about it right here, too, once we get above this little level right here, which the height of it is 31,000, like there's thin air. When there's gaps in the market, gaps get filled. Good morning from Greece, my friend. Good morning. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you. All right, let's get Yoshi and then Mana. We got some E to the 9th power action. Oh boy.
Oh, it went to 0. Yo!
All right, let's get it. Yeah, this thing took a poo-poo. All right. Automatic rally. 366.404 E to the 9th power. Hopefully you got your calculators. I would take profit here. Retracement. 1963 E to the 9th power. Max retracement. 2706 E to the 9th power. Parabolic. 13,000 E to the 9th power. Do you pay taxes when you transfer crypto to USDC? Technically, I do think that is a taxable event, but I'm not a tax professional. I'm not a tax professional. I think there was a bill that they passed. I don't know if they got shot down, but anything under $50 or something. Ski, hypothetically, let's say someone makes 2 mil off a Gala and sells that Gala for 2 mil cash on Coinbase. Coinbase does not have 2 million in cash on hand for someone to withdraw and do whatever with it. That could happen, but you still have your ledger. You still got your, you got some Bitcoin ATMs, and like even if they don't have the cash, they have a Coinbase card, and they're gonna have the magic internet money there. But they should be able to do a bank transfer. All right, let's get Mana. Automatic rally, 92 cents for Mana. Retracement is $2.85 for Mana. Max retracement, $3.90. Parabolic level, $18.50. Has anybody been watching on TikTok for a while? Like, has the stream been lagging at all? I know we were having issues with that. I fixed some settings, so hopefully that got fixed. It started to, but not as bad. I'll tweak around with it. It's something with the settings. I just gotta get those settings dialed in. But for the most part, it's been solid. It was more show when I shut off my phone. Has it been lagging for anybody else? I know we've been having issues. I tried to get it fixed. Oh, okay. Luna Classic. I'll look at it, bro. I don't like Luna Classic, though. Like all the TA is like pretty much. Says, I wonder if there will be a new top 10 the next bull run in bear market. I can assure you that there will be. Every bull and bear market, there's new. Out with the old, in with the new. That will continue. All right. Luna Classic.
Oh, we went to 0. Yo!
Literally. Little. Oh, my bad, bro. Alright, so I have it pulled from right here. This would be less on the conservative side, more like on the aggressive side. He says, I'm bored, might buy some more Gala. I mean, it's dipping today. He says, look how much you had to zoom in for Luna Classic. That's how much it crashed. Stay away. Yeah, I'm not against gambling. This is not investing. Make no mistake. All right. Aggressive retracement would be 0012. Max aggressive would be 0017. Parabolic would be 008. I wouldn't touch this thing. Personally. Yeah, you can make money off of it. Alright, guys. Just made a Discord. I know a lot of you guys were asking about that, so I made a Discord. So if you want to join that, I'll have the link on my description shortly. It's not there just yet, but I'll have it there shortly. I'm gonna be dropping some courses, like some classes. I haven't yet, but within this week, I'm going to be dropping some classes on charts and TA. That'll be in my Discord. If you guys want to check that out. So yeah, you guys can check out my Morning Savage Bitcoin price for 2025. 188. You can go back. I did some pretty thorough TA, but I got to work tomorrow, so I'm hopping off. for tonight. Yeah, you guys can check out my Patreon. You guys want to get on my calendar, you can do that. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at your boy Ski. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at your boy Ski. I only have one Instagram. I have one TikTok. It's at your boy Ski. I have one Twitter at Gayeski. I have one YouTube at your boy Ski. If you guys want some merch, we still got the Don't Be Average, Be a Savage. We got some Bitcoin hats. We got some XRP shirts, all that. But that is it for this time. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll probably be on here tomorrow. I might not be. 50-50 chance I'll be on here tomorrow. And if not, I'll be here on Wednesday, though, for sure. But peace, love, prosperity, God first.